The second big mistake is people who are in a high risk industry. So trucking, real estate, construction, CBD, tax preparation, car dealership, credit repair. They either choose that industry when they're getting their EIN for that NAICS code, or they put that industry in their LLC or their corporate name. So if you have a high risk industry, you'll be flagged, it's either going to be you're going to get a lower approval amount or you're going to get denied.
So
A big red flag. Go ahead.
no, I'll ask you again, the high risk industries. You said trucking, you said CBD, you said what else did you say?
Construction,
Construction. So these
real
are high
estate,
risk to the
the
bank.
bank.
Okay.
These industries are either a high likelihood of bankruptcy or chargebacks. So banks really don't want to really get in bed with these kind of industries.
Got you.